Introducing the 2018 matte black Mercedes-Benz AMG, but not as you know it.
This is Cavacha PPF paint protection film, clear bra, matte finish, full wrap.
It's not just about aesthetics. It's about preserving the car's integrity and ensuring it looks this good for years to come. But achieving this level of perfection is no easy task. The Cavacha PPF is a game changer. It's not just a protective layer. It's like giving the car a second skin.
Here we go, guys. I finally get my hands into this project. The matte finish, that it was all screwed up. The hood. I just did a bulk matte finish and it came out perfect. Just waiting for that thing to dry. I'll probably let it sit like that for 24 hours just to play safe, since I'm dealing with ceramic coated underneath. But so far so good. Just gotta trim it, be good to go.
Just as David said, this Mercedes arrived to our studio with full ceramic coating, plus ceramic coating underneath the partial PPF. This caused the PPF to eventually start peeling off of the hood. That's why David and his team diligently removed the pre-existing ceramic coating before wrapping the Mercedes. And to seal the deal, the Ceramic Pro ceramic coating, Ion Life, a coating that ensures longevity, protection, and that mesmerizing shine. Prestige Auto Appearance, where your car's best version comes to life. We are Prestige Auto Appearance Ceramic Pro Allentown Elite Dealer. Call us today at 610-6284-49 or visit us at 3826 Broadway.